I would 100% recommend DDBrix for anyone who is in supply chain planning and warehousing and manufacturing. You can pretty much use it anywhere. It's going to save you lots of money. Hi, my name is Melinda Whitaker. I am the current president of the ASCM Toledo chapter. So currently I'm working for Alstom Transport, which is a global company, and I am a Supplier Delivery Performance Manager from North America. I loved it. I'm glad that I ran into you and I was introduced to you last year at the convention. This one was our plan to come over here and meet here so we can finally do a workshop here in Toronto, and I am super glad that we did it. I thought I understood DDMRP, but I still had some concepts that were more clarified today, so I thank you for that. So those people who are in planning, in supply chain or even management decision makers, they would definitely be able to take away a lot from a workshop like this. It's very educational, but you make the education fun and hands-on, which a lot of the people appreciate, because now you go back to your childhood, you play a game, and then it needs to understand the concepts a lot easier, and then you get to practice it a few times during the day. So it's definitely helping to take that knowledge and information back and kind of store it in your mind. I would 100% recommend DDBrix for anyone who is in supply chain planning and warehousing and manufacturing. You can pretty much use it anywhere. It's going to save you lots of money.